Look how big my hair looks. I'm going to let you in on my best hair secret. If your hair is anything like mine and can't hold a curl, this is your answer. I didn't think it was possible for my hair to hold a curl. When I'm telling you, it keeps my hair curled no matter what. I'm gonna try this piece of hair with no product and see how quickly it will fall. And I'm going to keep it on the curler for the same amount of time. First of all, it just does not even look as good. Run my fingers through it, it falls right out. This also has heat protectant in it. You're covered. Look at the difference. Run my fingers through it, and it stays. It holds that curl. You can see all my curls will still stay in place. The best part is, it feels like there's nothing in my hair. Go get yours. I'm telling you, you won't regret it.